From Mumbai University, I welcome all of you TYBA BSc Geography student. The third topic, which is pollution. As the same way, I have divided this topic in two parts. This is the part A, pollution. So introductions. In the first unit, we have learned the definition of environment geography along with the nature scope factors of environment and the relationship between the man and environment have also been learned. We have discussed the ecosystem also. In the previous chapter, we have studied the concept of resources, classification of resources, and the environmental problems which are associated with the forest, water, mineral, biodiversity, its concept and types along with the hotspot of biodiversity. And a biodiversity in India with emphasis on a Western Ghats have also been studied in this chapter. We are going to study the pollution in detail. Concept of pollution, type of pollution, causes of pollution will be studied in this first part of this unit. In the later part of the third unit, we will study the impact measures of the air, water and land and noise pollution. So the sub discussion, the term pollution is widely used and sometimes misunderstood. Pollution is anything that make the earth dirty and unhealthy. Land, air, water are all affected by the pollution. Trucks, cars, buses and other vehicles lack smoke exhaust from their engine and fill the air with the breather with the pollutants. Water bodies such lake, river, ocean, aquifers and groundwaters get polluted with the clearance uh, and the chemicals that are the directly or indirectly discharged into them. Pollutants dumped into the ocean can hurt the sea criteria also. Human beings are affected too. They are stick with they eat the poisonous fish. Moreover, all polluted water must be clean before the drink it. There are three kinds of pollution, namely water pollution, land pollution, and air pollution. Modern society is also concerned with about the specific type of pollution, such as noise pollution, light pollution, and even plastic pollution. With the advent of this time, our introduction of the modern technology, pollution have grown. But why the combat is have grown through to, for example, people are using solar energy and wind energy are alternative ways to power their homes. When these alternative forms of the energy are used, less carbon dioxide is released into the environment. So next is concept of pollution. So we will start from the concept of pollution as a definition of the pollution. Innumerably definition of the term pollution have been examined by the alternatives suggest. Pollution is an addition of the subsequent to the environment to excess to what is normally present here by making the environment impure. The introduction of the contaminants into the nature environment has a harmful or a poisonous effect. It causes advanced changes and is known as the pollution. Therefore, any changes in a physical, chemical or a biological characteristics of air, water or soil that affects the health, survival or the activities of a human or other forms of life in an undesirable way is a pollution. Pollution is often called environmental pollution. The addition of any substance, that is a solid, liquid and gas, or any from the energy such as heat, sound or radioactivities to the environment at a rate faster than heat. It can be disappeared, diluted, decomposed, recycled, or stored in some harmless form leads the pollution. Pollution can take from the chemical substance or energy such as noise, heat, or light. Pollutants, that components of the pollution can be entire foreign substance in energy or naturally occurring. The continuous the major kinds of pollution are air pollution, water pollution and land pollution. Modern society is also concerned about the specific type of pollution such as a noise pollution, light pollution, even the plastic pollution also. So, a source of pollution, direct or indirect human activities leads into the environment pollution. There are six major sources of environment pollution: industrial sources, agricultural sources, biogenetic sources, orthographic sources, unnatural sources, extraterrestrial sources. So and then the nature of the pollution. So the pollutants occurs in the environment are usually chemical, biological and physical in their nature. Chemical pollution includes gaseous pollutants such as sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, then toxic metals, so herbiculous, hydrocarbon, toxins, acidic substance. Then the biological polluted include these products of the biological organ. Physical pollution included the heat, thermal, sound that is radiations and radioactivity substance. So the types of pollution. The pollution is mankind, but it is commonly known as the air, land, water pollution. There are various other types of pollution to which is listed below: water pollution, air pollution, soil pollution, thermal pollution, radioactivity pollution, noise pollution, light pollution. Then we will see the causes of pollution. There are numerously causes of the pollution, and a number of which is grown day by day. The imperial, the quality of and the beauty of the environment. Some of them directly hit the environment, while some of them have a negative impact of balance of an ecosystem. All of them deprives us for taking the breath of the fresh air, drinking pure water, and walking on a clean land. The three main causes of pollution are efficient vectors and emissions. They can be further divided into the several sub-causes pointed here are there. That is effluents, industrial effluent, then civic water waste, fuel effluent, agriculture water waste, then the wastages, the civic wastages, hospital wastages, industrial wastages, nuclear wastages, then emissions, vehicle emissions, industrial emissions, dust emission, influences, all types of liquids and affect the chemical composition of the water and soil are called efficient. It polluted the water in a one way or other. Okay, there is one of the lethal causes of pollution. For example, wherever the split over the factories and flowers untread into the river, sea and other water bodies is called industrial efficiency. Wastages. Many types of solid wastage are dumped instead of the proper disposal. They affect the features on the land and soil. The wastages may be from the houses, industries, offices, hospitals, or even dangerous wastage of nuclear plants. It is one of the main causes of the pollution on land. Emissions. Emissions, the chemical or a factory and silencer of the vehicle are the two pipes which are considered as the main sources of emission. The polluted area by emitting the poisonous gases beyond the limits set by the various environmental state. Thus, they make too bad for breathing. Then the air pollution. Concept of the air pollution. Air pollution can be defined as a presence of toxic chemical and components, including those of biological origin, in the air at the level that pose of the health risk. Type of pollution. In the order to understand the causes of the pollution, several division can be made. Primarily, air pollution can be caused by the primary sources or secondary sources. The pollutant that are the direct result of process can be called primary pollutants, and a classic example of a primary polluted would be sulfur dioxide emitted from the factory. Secondary polluted are the ones that are the caused by the interminings and resections of the primary pollutions. Smoke create an interactions of the several primary pollutants is known to be an secondary pollutant, causes of the air pollution. Okay, so there are two types of sources that we will take at a look. That is the natural sources. Natural sources of pollution include the dust carried by the wind from the location and where the little or no gases cover the gases released from the body process of a living being. For example, carbon dioxide or release from the human during respirations and methods in the release from the cutting during the digestions of the oxygen and release from the plants during the photosynthesis. Smoke from the compositions of the various inflammable object, volcanic eruptions, etc. Although with the emissions of the pollution, gases also make it is a list of natural sources of pollution. So next is the man-made pollution or man-made sources. While looking at the man-made contribution towards the air pollution, smoke again features as a bromine components. This smoke emitted from the various form of compositions like biomass, factors, vehicle, uh, freshness, etc. Freshness, etc. Wastage used the creator land fills generated methanes that is harmful to in several ways. The restriction of the creation gases chemical also from the harmful funds that can be dangerous to the well-beings of living criteria. The following are the man-made sources of the pollution. That is the burning of the fossil and fuel. Sulfur dioxide emitted from the composition of the fossil fuel like coal, petroleum and other factors. Combustion is one of the major causes of air pollution. Pollution emitted from the vehicle including truck, jeep, car, train, aeroplane causes immense amount of pollution. We rely on them for to fulfill our daily basic need of transportation, but there are overuse of killing our environment, as the dangerous gases are polluting the environment. Carbon monoxide causes by emporyl of incompletance compositions and generally emitted from the vehicle is another major pollutant amongst the nitrogen oxide, which is a product from the both natural and man-made process. Okay, so the agriculture activities. Ammonia is a very common byproduct from the agriculture related activities and is one of the most hazardous gases in the atmosphere. Use the incidence prescribed the fertilizer in agriculture activities has grown quite a lot. They emitted the harmful chemical into the air and can be cause water pollution. Then enhanced from the factory and industries. Manufacture industries release the large amount of carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, oxygen, components and chemicals into the air. They're depleting the quality of the air. Manufacturing the industries can be found at every corner of the earth, and there is no area that has been not been affected by it. So the petroleum refineries also release hydrocarbons and various other chemicals that pollute the air and also cause the land pollution. Mining operations. Then the mining is a process where the minings below the earth are extracted using a large equipment. During the process, dust, chemical release in the air causing massive air pollution. This is one of the reasons which are responsible for the deteriorating health conditions of the work and nearby residential. Indoor air pollution. So household cleaning the products, painting suppliers emit toxics, chemical or air causes air pollution. Have you ever noticed that one of the paints will you have to house it causes some sort of smell, which makes it literally impossible for your breath. So suspended a particular matter popular by the alchemists, that is a SPM, in another cause of a pollution, referring the particles afford in a air. SPM is usually caused by the dust combusting the etc. Then the impact of, now we will see the impact of air pollution. So resurfaced of the heart problem. The effect of air pollution are alarming. They are known as create several respiratory and a heat condition along with the cancer amongst other threat to the body. Several millions are known as they have died due to the direct or indirect effect of air pollution. Children in the area expose the air pollution and said the commonly suffer from the phenomena asthma. Then the global warming. Another direct effect of the emanated alternations that have the world is nothing less due to the global warming with increase the temperature worldwide, increase the sea level and melting the ice from the colder region and iceberg. Displacement and loss of the habitat have already signed and impeding the disaster. If the actions of the prevention and normalization are undertaken soon, then we see the acid rain. Acid rain means which is a very harmful gases like nitrogen, oxygen and sulfur dioxide are released into the atmosphere during the burn of fossil and fuel. When it's run, the water drops combines and there are the air pollutant become the acidic and then the falls on the ground on the form of acid rain. Acid rain can cause great damage of human, animals and a crop. Eutrophication is a condition where the high amount of nitrogen present in some pollution get development on a sea surface and turn itself into the algae and adversely affect on fish, plants and animals. The green colors algae that are the present on a lakes and ponds, and due to presence of the chemical only effect of wildlife. Just like human, animals also face some diversity effects on the air pollution. Toxic chemical present in the air can be force wildlife spatial to move to the new place and changes their habitat. The toxic pollution deposit over the surface of the water can be also affected sea animals. Then the duplication of the ozone layer. Ozone layer exists in the Earth stratosphere and responsible for the protecting the human from the harmful ultraviolet, that is UV rays. Okay, so Earth ozone layer is depleting due to the presence of the chloroform carbons, hydrochloroform carbons in the atmosphere. As the ozone layer will be go thinner, it will emit harmful rays back to the earth and can be cause skin and eyes release problem. Ultra rays also have a capability of effect on crop. So the next is the measures of the air pollution. Use of public mode of a transport. So we the people encourage people to use more and more public modes of a transportation to reduce the pollution. Also try to make use the car pulling. If your colleges comes to same location and you have some things to can explore, this option save the energy and money. Causes of energy. So switch off the fans and lights when you are going out. A large amount of fossil and fuel burn or product eliminated. You can save the environment from the degradation by the reducing amount of the fossil and fuel to be burned. Understand the concept of reduce and reused and recycle. Do not throw away. These are of no use or a you. If the fact resume recess, then the sum of the purpose for that is you can use old jar to store clear or pulses. Emphasize on the clean energy resources. So clean energy technological technological like solar, wind, geothermal are the high these days. Government of the various countries have been providing grants of consumers who are interested to installing the solar panel of their home. So they will go a longer way to curb the air pollution. Use of energy efficient devices, that is CFL. The light which are as they are using CFL lights consume the less electricity of against their counterparts. They live the longer, consumers less electricity, lower electricity bills, and so help you to reduce the pollution by consuming the large energy. Several attempts are being made worldwide on personal industries and government levels to curb an intensity of at which the air pollution is rising and region at the balanced. As far the proportion of the foundation gases and concern, this is a direct attempt at the seeking global warming. We are seeing a series of innovations and experimental aims at the alternates and conversions options to reduce the pollution. Air pollution is one of the large mirror of a man's foil and the challenges we need to overcome. To see you tomorrow. So thank you very much. Now we will move to this chapter second part in a next lecture. Thank you very much.